Ka Joint Regional Committee jong ka Assam Meghalaya kalarai ban penbet ya uput usam badang sa ban penbet kata ka Block 1 bat Khanduli-Psiar da ka bahun lang na baro arliang. Kani ka jia keren ka Regional Committee kalalong ha ka khatsao trik jelio ha State Convention Center Shillong. Deputy Chief Minister but Chairman West Jainti Hills District Regional Committee Sniaw Bahalang Dahar ula penyat ya ka jia lang ha ka jia don lang Menteri Sorkar ka Assam Piyush Hazarika. Ha kani ka jia lang layadan lang ki DC jong ka West Jainti Hills but West Karbi Anglong ki dakhat jong ka GHA DC KAAC bat nong yalam shnong na Assam Meghalaya umas nyaw bahalang dahar ula ong ka de ka sien syong jia lang baningkong ka regional committees na Meghalaya bat Assam bat menta kintrei banwanra ya ki buit penbet ya uput usam kini ki arjella.
Today is a first meeting, so at least we have the opportunity to introduce each other, all the members. And we had decided in the meeting also, so we'll start working out all the formula now about the second phase of border issues. So in the days to come, so the respective member of the committee board side will start going to the site in the field, and we'll come with the report in few months or few weeks. So committee from Assam, and I'm the chairman from the site, and all the other members. What will be that to solve the border issues? That is the meaning of it.
Give and take. What is the approach?
No, we haven't decided give and take. We haven't decided, so let us go to the field and all the local
amicably.
Yeah, we will listen from them, and everything will be solved amicably from both states. Mention anything about 30, 40 villages, so now the exercise is yet to start. So maybe we'll come to actual figure in the next meeting. Khanduli is different, so we will try to see first the low-hanging fruit first. That is the main need in our thing. Both the chief minister is desire to, so we will wait the time from them.
What about at the level of the regional committees?
The regional committee will, because our target is to submit the report to the state government by August. So maybe in last week of this month or July, we have to visit both the
Piyush Hazarika, Menteri Sorkar ka Assam, ula ong ba ka jingkan at kabadya hakaput Assam Meghalaya, kadai kabale di kibrio kiba omday na kajala Assam, kabalakta ya ka syongsuk syongsan ki panar bat karbi hakathan Khanduli.
Miscreants, disturbance not belong to the state. We are very friendly. We should have very good relationship with Meghalaya, and we have. So we don't have problem with Meghalaya people. Miscreants don't belong to us. Yes. That is simple. So we have high regards to the people of Meghalaya as well as people of other part of the northeastern part of the country. So amicably we should settle our long pending issues. We have long pending border dispute, but we are sure, I am sure, we'll be able to settle amicably within a very short period of time.